So, guys, today is the day one, right? So, in the day one, what we are going to learn is it's completely before agile, right? As a scrum master, we have to know about agile methodology, right? So, I will let you know all these things very clearly. And before agile methodology, we have to know another methodology that is called waterfall. Waterfall methodology, guys. So why waterfall methodology? Manoj, right now in the current market, we don't have anywhere waterfall methodology. If you look into a small company, the small company is also using agile methodology. Yes, definitely, guys. I agree with you. But the thing is, the people are still asking about, do you know or do you have any idea about waterfall methodology? Why, Manoj? The reason behind is we have evolved from waterfall to agile, right? So the basics are still in waterfall methodology, right? So if you compare with waterfall versus agile methodology, so if both are different, so this is different route and agile is different route, so we can consider it from agile only. We don't want to. I don't want to talk about waterfall methodology, but just what we have done is we have evolved from waterfall to agile. There is some changes, okay? Whatever the drawbacks are there in waterfall methodology, and we have improved those and we came to agile methodology, right? For that, what we have to do, sorry guys, we have to learn from waterfall methodology. Okay, simply you can read the definition. I don't like to say the definitions, all these things. I will just teach the full knowledge on waterfall methodology, right? So what is waterfall methodology? Initially, waterfall is a, we call it as, waterfall is a,
Step by step.
yeah, traditional waterfall methodology. Okay, it is a traditional waterfall method. Traditional in the sense, it is the first process model. We can say it is the first process model. Manoj, what is first process model? Right. For an example, in your house, Ramya, you have a light, right? Tube bulbs. Ramya?
Yes.
Yeah, please. If I ask now, just uh, respond, because I like to make the people to be responded. If not, what they will do now in group of classes, they will sleep. Okay. Ultimately, Manoj will give the recording so that I will just sleep like that. No, it's not like that. I usually ask if there is 10 members. Okay, I will teach less concept, but my main motto is to make them understand. That's it. Whatever I teach, I like to understand, make them to understand. No need to refer. Like that, I will teach. Okay, Ramya?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Please respond. Right. So, in your house, there are tube lights. Right. Do you think that is the first tube light that has been introduced?
No, it was not.
No, it was not, right? So, in our grandfathers, great grandfathers' days, we do have a tube lights. At least we do have a current.
No.
No. Yes.
Maybe,
Current I
yeah.
have.
Current also we don't have. I think my grandfather says that we don't have a current at the time. Um if it is 6 p.m. or 7 p.m., we usually sleep. We
Mm.
usually wake up at 3 a.m. in the morning or 4 a.m. in the morning. Right? I heard those stories.
Okay.
I do have a great grandfather at the time, like 2015 or 2014 at the time. He usually say that we don't have a current, my dear kid. At the time, we usually go in early morning 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. to work, and we usually return to 4 p.m. And after 4 p.m., 5 p.m. or around 4, 5 or 5:30 p.m., we usually have the dinner, and we usually sleep at 6 p.m. So that is the process. I asked them, where do you get the fan light? So without any air, how can you survive? They said to me that we don't have mosquitoes at the time. Okay. The thing is, we usually get a lot of fresh air. Okay. We usually sleep outside of the house. So it never feels like we do have a current, we do like to have a fan. No, it's very flexible at the time. Now I want to compare that. At the time we don't have a current and no tube lights or anything. And what they done is, if they have a kerosene, they usually keep this diya lights, and with matchbox they usually keep a light at the time. Am I right or wrong, Divya? Sorry, Priya.
Ah, yes.
Yes, am I right or wrong, Avinash?
Yeah, correct. Like I
Yes,
have kerosene lights and all.
yes, right off. Not kerosene light, diya lights in Deepavali we usually keep, right?
Yeah,
So initially, from that stage, it has been evolved to lanterns, right? At night times, they usually carry in their hands, and they usually go out. Still, I have in my house. My father kept my great grandfather's lamp is there. So for reference, we kept in our home in a storage. So from there onwards, how it has been evolved, like a little bit current, right? 1 watt bulb, right?
mm,
Right now in the current situation, how many watts of bulb also we don't know, right? So there, from there onwards, we have evolved to tube light,
mm,
right? So dia light to tube light. Here also the same thing. Waterfall model, we are going to call it as a traditional waterfall methodology. That means it is the first process model that has been introduced in IT industry.
mhm.
Okay, and waterfall is a,
Step by step.
yeah, linear sequential life cycle model. Okay, it is a linear sequential life cycle model. Manoj, what is linear sequential life cycle model? To understand this, waterfall methodology has introduced SDLC. Okay, based upon this SDLC, we are working on waterfall in a linear sequential life cycle model. Okay, what is SDLC? SDLC is nothing but software
Development.
development
Life
life
cycle.
cycle. Okay, or you can call it as model also. Linear sequential life cycle model. Okay, okay, Manoj, I understood up to here. How we are going to work. Right. So in SDLC, we are having some phases. Okay, we are having some phases. Based upon these phases, waterfall methodology is working. Not only waterfall, agile also is working on the same process. How many phases, Manoj? Previously, I have seen 5, I have seen 6, right? I have seen 7 also. What is the main thing? So initially, we are having 6 phases, guys. Okay, 6 phases. The first phase we are going to call it as requirement requirement analysis. Okay, the second one is design. The third one is development. So guys, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Number 4 is testing. Number 5 is deployment. Number 6 is maintenance. Okay, so these are the 6 phases we have. In Google, some are interchange. That means this 5 will be in 6, 6 will be on 5. Okay, requirements will be in second, design phase will be on first. Like that, it will be there. So initially, SDLC will be like this. Manoj, do we have SDLC type? Is there any other one? Yes, we do have, but that is called as STLC. Okay, software testing life cycle, but software testing life cycle we don't require. Okay,
Sorry. So
yeah,
you said similar to SDLC is STLC, right?
No,
or
no. SDLC is STLC,
okay, but what did you say that as? Uh, s-
software
no,
testing
testing life cycle that I
life
understood, but
cycle.
you said is there something like SDLC? So when you say that, what does it mean?
Yeah, that means waterfall is majorly worked on what SDLC, right?
Yeah,
That is
correct.
only for development. SDLC is required for only development.
Oh,
If
okay.
if we have a slight change, what we
Mm-hmm.
are going to have? STLC. After
Testing.
development, we
Mm-hmm.
require testing, right? So you
Oh,
want to buy some product, okay?
true, true.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So you won't go directly and pay the money, and you won't bring that home, right?
correct, correct. Some kind of testing and some kind of
Yes.
things will be going on. Yeah, got it, got it.
Yes, right. So usually you will just consider a light bulb. What you will
Mm-hmm.
do? Just keep it over there and just show me. You will ask, right? That is
Mm-hmm.
called the testing,
Got it, got it.
right?
Okay, yeah,
But
yeah,
what we are
understand.
doing is we majorly focusing testing here, okay?
Okay, okay,
But
okay.
we are not focusing here, okay?
Oh, okay, okay, okay,
Right. So that is the major difference,
okay, okay.
okay? But 99% we, sorry, 100% we discuss about SDLC one, okay? Testing is not required, right? Uh, I mean, Priya, right? Ramya, do you understand?
Yes, I understood.
These six phases, right? Try to remember all these six. I will give you also, no problem in this.
Previously, I have experience working on waterfall models.
Oh, very good. Right. Let me show you some diagram way. So this is the intro about waterfall methodology, guys. So I will give you exact figure. Okay. So how the waterfall will work. Okay. So waterfall in the sense it will flow like this only, right? Avinash?
Uh,
Sorry, Avinash, your voice is not getting. Ramya?
uh,
Yes, I'm able
uh,
to clear.
No, no, no. Avinash, can you
hello.
hear? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Avinash, I want to ask you something. Like, have you went to waterfalls or any hill stations?
Hello.
Yeah, Avinash, can you hear me clearly?
Yeah, I can hear.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, Ramya. Thanks for. Avinash, I was getting echo from your end. Not able to hear you clearly.
Oh, okay, okay. So you
Yeah, now can you rejoin once, Avinash? Rejoin once. Rejoin
were
once.
asking. Okay. Yeah. Sure, sure, Sh- sure. Just give me 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, Avinash.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yes,
Yeah.
Manoj, you were asking something.
Yeah. I'm asking that.
Yeah.
Have you went to any hill stations previously?
Oh, yes, yes.
Yes. So if you went to hill stations, you usually see the waterfall, right?
Correct, correct.
How the waterfall will be? It will flow like this, right?
True. Yeah.
Have you seen anywhere waterfall has flown like this, and from here to here there is no water, and here to here water, and here to here no water, and it flow like this? Have you seen anywhere?
No, Manoj. Usually it's like a continuous, like a chain. It keeps
Yes.
continuing.
Right. So that's the reason what I have explained is it is a linear sequential life cycle model, and it
Mhm.
is a continuous flow. Okay, I forgot to write.
Okay.
It is a
Continuous process.
continuous flow. Okay, guys, give me a second. హలో నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా, తర్వాత చేస్తాను. రైట్ గైస్, it is what? It is a
A
continuous
continuous
flow.
flow.
That means in waterfall methodology, if you start a project, right, it will flow continuously. I mean, the project won't stop anywhere. That is the meaning of waterfall methodology.
Got it.
Okay,
Yeah.
that is the terminology initially. Okay, but have you seen anywhere the water flow to backwards
No.
from bottom to top? Ramya,
No, no, it's not possible.
it's not possible. Right? So what is the main reason, guys? Why are you saying these things, Manoj? Because before going into waterfall methodology, I want to clarify you these things. Waterfall methodology. Okay, in waterfall methodology, what I said, it is a traditional waterfall methodology, and it will flow in a linear flow, right?
Yeah.
Now what I'm doing is, it is a linear sequential, right? Linear in the sense like this one only, right, Ramya?
Yes.
Yes.
So that's what I have drawn this diagram. So you know, nowhere get this diagram because I tried this diagram. Okay. Okay. Now I will keep these 6 requirements here. Okay. Let me paste it. Okay. So what we are doing, guys, by using these 6 phases, I told you we are going to learn this waterfall methodology. Okay. What is this, Manoj? Initially, project will start from here only, right?
Yes.
Yes.
To start a project, what we required? We usually required some requirements.
Yeah.
Requirements in the sense tickets. Okay, tickets or user stories, whatever it might be. Who is going to write these requirements, guys? Initially,
Like the
Business
product
analyst.
business
business
product owner.
analyst.
Yeah.
No. We don't have a product owner in waterfall methods.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry, I didn't explain here. So we have some specific roles.
Mm-hmm.
Specific roles compared with waterfall and agile.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what we have initially, to start a project, we required business analyst.
Business
Okay,
analyst. Yeah.
why business analyst? So he is the only one who is going to write the requirements.
Mm-hmm.
See, the second one is architect.
Mm-hmm.
In IT industry, we are going to call him as system architect.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
and the next one will be uh,
Development.
no, manager required, right? Management or project manager, right? Project manager, but he is not going to involved in some cases, but we do have a role here. The next one is developer.
Mm-hmm.
The fifth one is
Tester.
tester, right? Can you add anyone, Ramya? To deploy the project, who we required?
Production support.
Yes, support. Right now what we are doing, that is called DevOps, right? DevOps people are deploying the projects. Am I right, Ramya?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. So before we do have a DevOps, Ramya,
No, previously we were not having
we are
DevOps.
not
We are
having.
having
That is called as a product support. Just consider DevOps, okay? Just consider DevOps, okay? But this product support role has been differently included as a DevOps, okay?
Okay.
So these are the specific roles, right? Manoj, where is product owner? Where is Scrum Master? No, we don't have those roles.
Okay.
Okay, those roles has been introduced in
Agile.
agile methodology. Okay, how Manoj, this business analyst has been introduced as product owner.
Mm.
Okay, like that. And Scrum Master, these two roles has been introduced in agile methodology. Okay, now we will get back here. So to start a project, what we required initially, we required some
Requirements.
requirements. Okay, so initially, just consider what we want to take our project name. I take Amazon. Okay, just consider you don't have Amazon here right now in the current market. Okay,
Okay.
Amazon is getting developed right now. Okay, Ramya, are you flexible or do you want me to change the name? Manoj, I am a
It's
Flipkart
okay.
customer. I am a Flipkart customer. Right. Okay. So if anyone wants to develop a project, what the IT people will do? We are going to calculate some time, right? Some period of time. In this period of time, we are going to develop this project, right? Just consider the project is going to be completed in 1 year. Okay, Ramya?
Yes.
The project is going to be completed in 1 year. For that, what we are doing initially, we are starting the requirements. Okay, if you want to start a project in waterfall methodology, every phase should be completed 100%. Okay, why Manoj? We can't see the waterfall going backwards. Okay, from here to here, we can't able to see waterfall from bottom to top. We can see waterfall from top to bottom. So that is why they have introduced in a such a way that the projects are going to be developed in waterfall. Okay, no stops. If you start the project, that project is going to be developed. Okay, there is no stoppages and no backwards. Not going back. Okay, Manoj, we have gone back also. No problem in that. But we are going to learn the terminology. Okay. When I worked in waterfall also, we went back also. Okay. When we are in a development stage, we do have some requirement changes. At the time we went back. But initially, if you are explaining the terms in interview, we should not explain in that way. Okay, guys? Ramya, you understood?
Yes.
Yeah. So initially, if you want to start a project in waterfall methodology, what we required um, requirements. That requirement should be 100%. Okay. Now, who is going to write these requirements? BA is
Business
writing the
analyst.
requirements. Okay, BA is writing the requirements, and those requirements are going to be complete in 2 months. Just consider BA has taken, okay, 1 year, right? I have taken only 1 month. BA has taken 1 month and he has completed 100%. Now you might have a doubt. Manoj, BA has completed 99% and he didn't completed 1% of work, and he moved that stage to forwarded those requirements to design phase. Now he is saying to design a system architect to work. But whatever the, now just consider the architect has designed the project. Now after designing the project, what we are doing is that 1% has given to the design phase. Okay. Now whatever the module that he has got, that is in middle of the phase. Now designer, what we has to do, he has to remove those and he has to rearrange that. Am I right or wrong, Divya? Sorry, Ramya.
Yes.
So for that reason, what we are doing, guys, we are not doing any mid changes. Okay, we are not doing any mid changes in the waterfall method. Okay, for that reason, what we are doing, if we have the 100% of requirements, then only the next phase is going to accept those. Okay, if it is in a BRD documentation, that documentation has to be 100%. Okay, Ramya,
Yes.
am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Because you worked in a waterfall methodology more than, right? I
Yes.
worked just 1 year. Okay. Right. Avinash, did you work in Waterfall?
Yes, sometime back.
Okay, okay, that's right. Right. So, what is this, Manoj? Initially, BA worked for 1 month, and he has worked for 100%. Okay, that is 1 month. Now, my question is, who are the persons getting salary? Who are the persons are not getting salaries? Now, who is the person is working? Who are the persons are not working? Just check these things.
Yeah. For now, the first person and the second person have worked on it.
No, no, no. Initial stage is B, right? I haven't moved here. I haven't moved to design phase.
Okay, then only
Initially,
the first step,
yes,
like
first
a business
person is,
analyst.
yes,
Business.
business analyst is working. Okay, Ramya, I'm not saying that uh, right now, current we are having only one project. Okay, Ramya?
Okay, okay, I can understand.
Yeah, we have only one project. Okay, Manoj, we in my organization, we have multiple projects. Okay, no problem. But I'm saying that we have only one project in organization. Okay, initially, who are working?
Business analyst.
Business analysts. Who are not working?
The remaining designing
Remaining
and
Remaining these ones. So how many months BA worked?
1 month.
1
1 month.
month. Did he get the salary?
Yes,
Did these guys get the salaries, or they are on hold?
they will be getting salary.
They will be getting salary. Why they are not working, right? Why they, why why these people should get the salary? Right, Ramya?
Yes.
So majorly, okay, I will explain this. Okay, afterwards. Okay. So now, after 1 month, this phase has been done. First phase has done, and okay, I'm removing this. First phase completed. Okay. Now we move to second phase. Okay. Now design people are working. That means system architect is working. System architect is working for 1 month again to complete those BRD to FRD. You know FRD, Ramya?
Ah, yes. Functional requirement
Yeah,
specification.
functional requirement documentation or specifications. SRS?
Software requirement.
Okay, system also we can take, right?
Okay.
Yeah, TRS?
Business requirement.
Yes, okay, very good. Right. I mean, Avinash, you know those things?
No, I do not
Okay,
know these.
okay. So initially we are going to have, sorry, business analyst is going to some requirements, right?
Correct.
Before writing the requirements, what he will do, he will give some description about, uh, what we can say, some description about whole project,
Hmm.
how the project should work, right? So
Correct.
that document is called as PRD.
Hmm.
Okay, business requirement document. Okay,
Hmm.
this business requirement document will be prepared by the business analyst.
Hmm.
Okay, what this business analyst will do, after writing this BRD, he will hand over that BRD to system architect.
Hmm.
Okay, just consider this BRD documentation is 100 pages. Okay, don't take okay, 100 pages.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
now description in the sense, we are going to have only the words, no images, nothing at all, right?
Hmm.
Now, if you give this BRD to system architect, what the system architect will do? This system architect will read this BRD documentation,
Hmm.
and he will design some screens, images.
Hmm.
That images we are going to call it as mock-up. Mock-up images. Sorry, mock-up. Mock-up images. Okay. What
Hmm.
is meant by mock-up images, Ramya?
It will be like UI UX design.
Yes. UI design. Design screens. We are going to call it as design screens. How it should look like. Okay. I will show you those. See, this is the UI, right?
Yes.
how the home screen should look like. So this is the header part. Okay,
Yes.
how the header part should look like. Okay, how the body, this is called the body, the center is called the body, how
Yes.
the body should look like. So every designs will be designed by the
System
system
architect.
like that screens, that images, that terminology we are going to call it as mock-up
More.
images or mock-up screens.
Mhm.
They don't call us images. Just for your understanding, I said images. Okay,
Mhm.
screens. Okay, they are going to call it as mock-up screens. And system architect has read this BRD, right? What he will do, he adds those requirements and he will reduce some of the key points here. Sorry, extra work will be there, right? Extra points, he will reduce those and he will design another document that is called as FRD, functional requirement requirement document. Okay, and in this document he will add those mock-up screens also. Why, Manoj, why he is changing that documentation from BRD to FRD?
Mhm.
So that if you give this BRD to the developers, they will definitely read, right, Avinash?
Yes. Yes.
They will definitely read this documentation, but to read this documentation, these developers will read, they are going to take a lot of time to understand this documentation. For that, what the system architect will do, he's going to convert this BRD to FRD
Yes.
documentation and he will add some images. Okay, if
Mhm.
okay, I have seen a movie of Avatar.
Mhm.
Okay, and you didn't see the Avatar. What
Mhm.
I did, I just explained to you.
Mhm.
Okay, can you imagine the picture how he has thrown the bow and arrow, right? You can't
Roughly.
imagine that, right?
Yeah.
I know that how he has thrown the bow and arrow, but you can understand that if
Yeah.
you see visually,
Yeah.
you can easily understand more
Correct.
than my explanation,
Correct.
right? For that reason, this system architect, what he is doing, this business analyst is explaining, we should have a login page. In that login page you should have uh,
Username, password.
username, password, all these things.
Mm.
Okay, but he is not explaining about how it should look like,
Yeah.
right?
Right.
Now what is this system architect is doing, he is designed this.
Mhm.
Okay, he designed this and he has kept this image,
Mm.
mock-up image, over in the FOD documentation.
Mhm.
Now these developers no need to read this, what we can say, those
Yeah.
descriptions, all those things.
Mhm.
If by seeing this image they can understand, oh, okay, this is a login page, we have to develop like this functionality should be here. Okay, this, what we can say, button should be there, right?
Mhm.
And link buttons should be there, right?
Mm.
This is the link button only. Yes, yeah, link button.
Yes. Yes.
Link button should be here. All these things, right?
Mm.
They can
Mm.
easily understand. They don't need to read this.
Mm.
What this system architect is doing, he is making, he is reducing the time. He is reducing the time to read this documentation.
Mm.
If the developers read this documentation,
They will
that
not
is going to
understand.
take like 3 hours or 4 hours,
Mhm.
right? What system architect is doing, he is reducing that and he is adding some mock-up screens to
Mhm.
understand more easily.
Mm.
Okay, understood now?
Yeah.
And now
Got it.
this document will be 80 pages around.
Got it. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
right. Now we will get back here. Right. So now design has been done 1 month, guys.
Mm.
Okay. Now who is getting salary? Who is not getting the salary?
Only the system architecture is getting the salary, but the
Okay.
remaining are just idle.
Okay. They do get the salary or they don't get the salary?
Usually they get.
Usually they get. Okay. If they work or if they don't work,
Yeah.
they usually get the salary. Okay. Why? Because we do have only one project. We are not making the developers or testers in a contract basis. You have to work for
Mm.
in that certain period of time, for 3 months or 4 months. You have to work. If we have that much that agreement, they
Mm.
will definitely don't get this help. Am I right or wrong, Ramya?
Yes.
But we are not doing that. What we are doing, we are taking them for 1 year. Okay, if the requirements, I mean, sorry, not 1 year to complete this project, we are agreeing with them. Okay, this requirements has taken 6 months. Okay, Manoj, there is only 1 month of 6 months of time required. Okay, design phase has taken 6 months. Okay, no, Manoj, now the development contract is over. Yes, over, but they will work or they won't work. They won't work, right? Initial stages should be completed faster. If they don't complete faster, this is going to be very slow. Okay, for that reason, what we are doing, guys, this require we are getting salary each and every phase. Okay, if they work, if they don't work, right? Now coming to the development, this development has taken 4 months or 5 months, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 5 months, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now the testing has happened 3 months. Okay, to deploy this project, it has taken 2 months. Okay, guys,
Yeah.
7, 7, 8, 9, 10. This design is 1 month, and is this requirement analysis is 1 month. Total 1 year, right?
Yes.
Up to 5 phases. Up to 5 we have completed. Manoj, we need to complete this one also. No, guys, this is secondary part.
Mm.
Okay, maintenance is service.
Yeah.
Am I right or wrong, Ramya?
Yes.
Initially, if they, I will explain these things also. Okay, initially, if they have agreed to development, then we are not agreeing for the maintenance, right? So maintenance is two parts. Sorry, here development and maintenance is two parts. If the Amazon is agreed with this company, XYZ company, we require development and maintenance both, then we are looking for these 6 phases, right? Previously, I explained you, right? In Google, we are going to have some images 5, some images 6, right?
Got it. Yeah.
That is the main difference here. Okay, so if the company is development, only they do development. If the company is service, they do only service. If the company is both, then we are going to work for both. Okay, I will explain these things. Give me some time. Okay, now you understood about this, how we are going to work, right? Initially, we worked on requirements analysis, right? You can see this diagram, guys. Initially, we worked on this requirement analysis. After completing this requirement analysis, what we have done, we worked on second phase,
Development.
development.
Design and
After
Design.
completing the development, what we have done, we went to
testing.
development. Sorry. Oh, I said design. Development, I said.
Now,
Okay.
designing development.
Yeah, I interchanged. Okay, I'm sorry. Right. Now the third phase is design. After completing this design, what we are doing, guys? We are doing the testing, right?
Yes.
After completing the testing, what we are doing? We are
Deploy.
deployment. We do the deployment. Okay. Okay, Manoj. After deployment, what we are doing? We are maintaining the project. If we have a agreement on maintaining, we will do maintenance.
Yeah.
If we don't have any maintenance, what we are doing? After
Test.
completing the projects, we are deploying. I mean, we are giving to them the total project with security,
Hmm.
right? The security accesses, everything we are giving to them.
Hmm.
Now they will look into another company. Okay. Now, now you understood, right, Ramya?
Yes.
Now
Understood.
I want to take an example of, just I'm changing here, 1 to 2 years. Okay. Just consider Ramya and Avinash. You both are friends. Okay. You invested on Amazon. Okay, guys. How
Okay.
much? 100 CR, 100 crores. You invested on 100 crores. Now, my question is, now your project has been completed in 2 years. Okay. Did you guys get any single rupee from this 2 years? In this 2 years, on this project, did you get any single rupee on this?
No.
No.
Ramya, did you get any rupee?
No, it is not.
It's not possible because you haven't seen this project yet.
Yes.
Yes.
After 2 years only, you have seen this project.
Yeah.
That is the major drawback, guys. Okay. Now what you will do, guys? You need to promote this project,
Yeah.
right? You initially invested 100 CR, okay, to develop this project. Now to promote this, what you will do? You will try to have some what we can say models like heroines, right, to promote your project,
Like
right, or
marketing.
any, yeah, marketing. For that, what you are going to catch some market agents, or otherwise you will go directly to hero or heroines houses, and you will you will explain your project, right, and you will get the agreement with them. Am I right or wrong, Ramya?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, okay, some hero, just consider Shah Rukh Khan agreed with this. No, no, no. Alia Bhatt, right? Alia Bhatt is promoting, right? Flipkart, Amazon, Alia Bhatt is promoting. Okay, whatever it might be. Okay, Alia Bhatt is promoting Amazon. What you will do? If Alia Bhatt promote, everyone will buy in this website.
Maybe like the majority would give it
Yeah,
a try.
majority. Okay, just okay. This is 2 years, right?
Yes.
And to to have a contract and talking with the Alia Bhatt, it took for you 3 months, another 3 months, okay,
Mm.
3 months, and the promotions, okay, it took another 3 months, right? You have to do shooting, right?
Yes.
It took another 3 months. 2.6 months you worked on, sorry, 6 months you worked on promotions. Now
Yeah.
what you are doing? You need to go for some TV channels, right? You have to agree with them. Some these many years we need to have a contract,
Mm.
right? You paid to them. Now what this TV people will do? They will
Add it.
promote Amazon
Mm.
ads,
Mm.
right? Now with Alia Bhatt, you have got a contract 1 year. In this 1 year, you can do as many as ads, right?
Yes.
Ramya,
Yes.
Avinash, right?
Yes.
What you did is you got a contract of 10 ads,
Mm.
10 ads with Alia Bhatt. Okay.
Mm.
Now you did those promotions also. That's completed. Now, do you think from 2.6 months, if you promote, everyone will buy in these products? Ramya, Avinash?
No.
No, because if Alia Bhatt is having good image in market, definitely they will come and they will buy it, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Just consider Shah Rukh Khan. Now you are promoting with Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan is having a big fan page,
Mm.
right? You are not promoting in north side, right? You are promoting all over India.
Mm.
For this stage, what you need from Andhra, Telangana, you need a hero and heroines to promote in Andhra states. To promote in north states, you need some Shah Rukh Khan and Alia Bhatt, some people, right? If you want in Karnataka states, you need Rishabh Shetty. I know only Rishabh Shetty, no one I don't. Okay, guys, I'm really sorry. By seeing Kantara only, I know him. Okay,
Yeah. Mm.
and KGF movie. I know these two heroes.
Mm.
Okay, no, I don't know any heroine name. Okay, so some if you go to Tamil Nadu states, you will definitely go for what we can say Rajnikant or any other people is there now. So you will definitely look into those, right? For every state, you are going to promote with some other people. Why? To make your brand promoted,
Mm.
right? From 2.6 years, you are promoting.
Mhm.
Okay. Now, in 1 year, you got your 100 CR back.
Mm.
Okay, Ramya? In
Okay.
3.6 years, you got your 100 CR back.
Mhm.
Now, my question is, did you get any single rupee?
No.
You wasted how many years?
3.6.
3.6 years. Just consider you have given this 100 CR on a hand loan. You know that, right?
Mm.
Hand loans,
Yeah.
right?
Lending money. Yeah.
Yeah, lending money, right? Like some people will require some debts, right? So at the time you have given those money. So you can collect interest every month, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
If you give for 1% of interest,
Yeah.
right? You usually get for 1 year, you usually get around 1 lakh rupees, 1 rupee of interest,
Okay.
right? You usually get 1 lakh. but you wasted 100 CR and you waited for 3.6 years, right, to make your project successful. Now, if you don't have any other money, you have only 100 CR, you don't have any single rupee. Now, do you think your project is going to be hit or flop?
By profit wise, it is not good.
No, no, not now. I'm saying you have only 100 CR. Let me take in another color. Just see blue color. Okay,
Yeah,
you have only 100 CR.
it's a flop.
It's a flop.
Yeah,
Why?
because
No
no
one
one
knows
is.
about this,
Yeah,
right? No one knows about this. For
yeah.
that, I have taken another project here, like a dummy project. I have seen this in YouTube. Okay, so this is also one of the website, but no one knows about this. Okay, trendyfly.com and I don't know about this. Okay, if Shah Rukh Khan promotes this brand, everyone will know, right,
Yes.
Ramya?
Yes.
Like that, Amazon has got promotions. That is why Amazon and Flipkarts are in leading stages.
Yeah.
Initial stages, they have been promoted. How, Manoj? They have done in waterfall. Sorry, they haven't done in waterfall methodology. They're done in agile methodology. Okay. Now, what is the major drawback in waterfall methodology? To survive in this project, it is 50-50 percentage,
Hmm.
right? To get
Yes.
profits, it is 50-50%. Manoj, no, you said that we are not getting any profits. What we have to do? You are going to sell this project. Okay, sell this project to some other person. Okay, if they have money, you will send them to. Can you send to 250 CR, Ramya?
No.
No. Why? Your project has no value. Just a developed project. What
Yes.
they will do? They will bargain with you, right? We are going to have a 50 CR. If you sell this project on 50 CR, we will definitely buy. And ultimately, you are losing 25 CR, 25 CR, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
For that reason, what you are doing promotions, guys.
Hmm.
Based upon your promotions, your project is going to hit. And okay, you have some other extra money. Just not only 100%, you have both of you have 1000 CR and 1000 CR, 1000 CR. Okay, your family is a big shot family. Okay, what you are doing, you both are friends, right? So you want to do it in the business. Okay, what you done now? You are doing promotions. You can wait, right? Ultimately, Ramya,
Yes.
Yes.
because what you have done, you have removed only 10% from your pocket.
Yes.
Another 90% is there. 900 crores are there,
Yes.
right? What you have now, what you have, okay, if it is one, no problem for you because you have 900 CR in your pocket, right?
Yes.
But if you don't have any money, you have to eat something with this project, right?
Yes.
So that's the reason what you are going to do, guys. You are not going to let this project go away. You will do promotions with some other big people. Now those guys will promote your project, but in a short period of time, your project will be succeeded after 3.6 years. Okay, in this 1 year, 2.6 to 3.6 years, you got your 100 percentage of investment, got it back. Okay, but after 3.6 years, what you are getting profits. Okay, you have invested 100 CR and you have waited 3.6 years to get the profits. Do you think this is the business people will do?
No.
No.
No. Yeah. What? How the business people will do? If they have invested 1 rupee here, from tomorrow onwards, they want to have a returns. Right, Ramya?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is not the right good
Approach.
strategy or a good approach, right? For that reason, what we are doing, guys, we are working in agile methodology, and agile methodology has been introduced, I think, from 2000s, okay, 2008 or 2009 at the time, okay, and at the time that is also not popular, guys, okay. By working on different projects, it has been introduced, and the projects are getting succeeded in agile methodology, and the people change it from waterfall to agile. Now, completely in the current market, we don't have any waterfall projects. Some small companies is there. Okay, those are going to work in waterfall methodology. Any doubts here, guys? Up to here?
No, Manoj.
No,
Ramya?
no, not having.
Okay. I will tell you one more thing, guys, about the development, these six phases. Okay, I said right, five or six. Why it is five, why it is seven. Right? I will explain these things. Okay. So initially in IT industry, we are having three types of companies, guys. Okay. Ramya, can you say? Do you have any idea?
I don't know. I know only product based and project based organizations.
Okay. The first one is product. Second one is service. The third one is both. Okay. Manoj, what is this product? What is this service? What is both? Product based companies are going to develop only the development part, development and testing. Okay. For that reason, these five phases will work.
Mm.
Okay. These five phases will work. Coming to the service based, it is going to work on only the sixth.
Maintenance.
No, only yeah, very good. Sixth phase will work. Okay. Coming to both, it is going for all the six phases.
All six, yeah.
Okay. Now you understood, Ramya?
Ah, yes. Can you give an example of any organizations for
Then,
this?
no. I won't. I don't like to take the organization, but
Okay,
I will give you some small example. Okay,
okay,
like a real time example. Near to my house, there is a small company. Okay, that is in apartment, three BHK flat.
okay, okay,
Okay, okay, only three BHK flat, and I think 11 people or 12 people are working over there. Next to my house, one person is working on that company. Okay, he
okay,
came to me and said that, bro, we have some requirements for the Scrum Master. Do you like to join in our company? I said that, bro. Uh, in your organization there are 11 people are working, right? If you calculate all the 11 people's salary, my salary is that much. Do you think your company is going to give me that much salary? Right, guys? That is not possible because it is a short company. Very, it is also not registered company.
Mm.
Okay,
okay.
it is also not registered company. What these people will do? Do you think Amazon came into the market, and do you think Amazon will come to that XYZ company?
No,
No. Why? What is the main reason, guys?
because they're not registered.
They're not registered. They don't have a certain, what we can say, backup of team members,
Mm.
right? They don't know anything about those team members, right? The previous records for this company, there is no previous records,
Yeah.
right? What they, that means how they are developing, Manoj. They might develop if there is a TCS is there. Okay, what this TCS will do, guys? Do you think TCS will develop a whole project?
No.
No,
What this TCS will do? This TCS will split, guys. Okay, this TCS will split the project into multiple modules. Okay, and TCS will keep his profits in their pocket, and those small modules will be there, right?
Yes.
Those will be spreaded to some other companies,
Mm.
small companies. They will give to small companies.
Mm.
Okay, what the small companies will do? In the small companies, they are having less experienced people. Okay, but they are talented.
Mm.
Okay, they are talented, but they are having small packages. Okay, what these people will do? These people will work on those projects, and after completing those, what they were going to do? They are going to deploy to the TCS.
Mm.
Okay, they will do deployment. Okay, now this TCS, what will do now? This TCS will keep some BA to look into those, to look into these people, some
Mm.
BA and product owners. Okay, they will keep. Now the for Amazon, the client is TCS, right? For the TCS, these companies, for these companies, TCS is the client,
Yes.
right? Why? Because for these
They are giving.
companies, TCS is giving the project.
Yes.
But to the TCS, Amazon is giving the project. Now, do you know Amazon knows about these companies?
No.
No.
No. Do you think TCS is? I mean, do you Amazon people knows that TCS is giving some project to the these people?
No.
No.
No. What TCS will do? They will make those people. I mean, these people are there, na?
Mm.
Small company people. Let them come to our organization and they will work in here. Onboarding.
Mm.
Okay. Now they
Okay.
come to TCS and they wear the TCS tag, and TCS will say that these are the very good guys, and they will develop in an awesome way. This person package is 10 LPA,
Mm.
but initially he is getting 4 LPA. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So that's how it's worked. Any doubts?
No.
No.
Coming to the service project, after development, okay, just consider now XYZ company has developed the project. Okay. Now, why Amazon is not staying with these product-based companies? Why? Because they don't have service people. Okay, service in the sense they have to work 24/7.
Yes.
They don't have that service people. What they will do? Initially, we are going to have some service-based companies. They will work. They will do only service. Okay, the initial stage of development that will be done over there, and that development phase is all this going to be hand over to the service based company. Now the service based company will give service. Okay, that is one part. Coming to both in the sense TCS, my company, and some other Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Amazon, sorry, not Amazon, Capgemini, all these MNC companies.
Mm.
Okay, they will develop the project and they will give the service also, because they are having a huge number of employment, right guys, and they do maintain separate databases also.
Mm.
Okay, so that's the reason they are giving both. Now you understood, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Ramya?
Yes, I understood.
Yes, now you got it. We have three types of projects, sorry, three types of companies.
Companies.
Okay, guys. If you don't have any doubts, we can wrap up here. Ramya,
No questions from my end.
Is it companies or now they are using waterfall model?
rare.
Okay. Okay.
If the companies are a small company, then they are using. I
Oh.
mean, the thing is, they are working in agile, but they don't have any I mean, scrum master or no persons. Only the BA is handling them. Okay, they don't know the full knowledge on Jira, how we are working in agile methodology. Okay,
Okay.
ultimately they have to complete these 10 tickets in this current sprint. What they are doing, they are working on those and they are deploying. That's it. But they don't have a complete knowledge. Okay,
Okay.
Ramya?
Okay.
I will explain clearly, guys. Okay, this theoretical part. Okay, this theoretical part will take at around 10 to 11 days, guys. Okay, your previous batch people are there. I mean, 9 p.m. batch people are there. For them, it is taking around 12 days.
Okay.
12 days for them. Around 12 days.
Okay.
9 p.m.
So
batch.
in this class, we are learning Scrum framework and any other thing, Kanban or
Yes, Kanban also.
okay. Okay.
Kanban, and I will explain a little bit about the safe as well.
Okay.
Okay, right. Let me stop the recording.